Oh my goodness, this is some crazy winds. I just got a dust storm warning. And it's supposed to get a little bit of rain later on today. I think the storm is right over there. I didn't check on my radar enough, but this is crazy. We got a dust storm warning too. Goodness, can you hear that wind? Everything is going crazy out here. I don't know how crazy this is. I mean, I have not seen winds like this in a while. I've never seen wind like this at all. Crazy one, guys. Hurry up. My goodness. So let's get some rain too. I think it's down there actually. Look over there. Look at that dark cloud. It's so dark. Oh no, the wind is not coming down now. I calmed down a little bit because I just... My goodness, this is crazy. My goodness, look at this wind gust. Look at this. My goodness. Oh my goodness. No wonder we have a dust storm warning. My goodness, look at all this. Do you not see it? My goodness, look. That's pushing me. My goodness, this is crazy. Look. Is there really this much rain and wind in Phoenix? My goodness, what's going on right now? Just don't want to get beat. My goodness. I expect rain to happen too. I don't know exactly where it is, but it's coming from one of these places. We're supposed to get some rain later on today. Oh my goodness, I don't know what the wind gusts are. I'll probably check later on today. Oh my goodness, this is craziness. You guys.